Are you a high net worth retiree sitting on a hefty IRA or 401k? Maybe you've considered a Roth conversion, but at 1.5 million, could that be too risky? Well, that's exactly the question we're diving into today. But first, let me share a story of someone just like you. Meet Mark, a 62-year-old retiree from Scottsdale, Arizona. Mark spent decades building his wealth as a successful entrepreneur, and now he's looking at ways to secure his retirement. He has 1.5 million in his IRA. He's done well, but with the economic climate the way it is, he's starting to question, is he doing enough to protect that hard-earned nest egg? Let's talk about why Mark, and many retirees just like him, are considering this bold move. You see, inflation is creeping up, and experts are saying we might be facing a financial storm soon. The Biden administration's policies, including stimulus measures and government spending, have left the dollar weaker than it has been in years. Add that to rising interest rates, and suddenly your retirement could be at risk. President Biden and the Federal Reserve have made it clear. They're focused on fighting inflation, but at what cost to your savings? Here's the real kicker. The stock market, despite some recent gains, is still unpredictable. It's volatile. A few days ago, the Dow took a dip, and no one can say with certainty where it's heading next. But Mark, like many retirees, doesn't have time to wait for the market to stabilize. He wants control, he wants stability, and he's thinking about making a move, a Roth conversion. Now, let me break down the pros and cons. A Roth conversion allows you to pay taxes on your IRA now at today's tax rates, instead of waiting until you're older and potentially facing higher taxes. This can be an incredible strategy if you're expecting taxes to go up, especially with government debt at an all-time high. Plus, when you convert, you avoid the required minimum distributions, RMDs, that come with traditional IRAs, which can increase your taxable income later. But here's where it gets tricky. A Roth conversion comes with a tax bill up front, and with $1.5 million, that's a hefty price tag. The tax hit could be substantial, possibly leaving you with less cash flow than you'd like in retirement. Mark is weighing this carefully, because while the benefits are tempting, the upfront costs are significant. That's where gold comes in. You see, many retirees like Mark are looking for ways to diversify their retirement savings beyond stocks and bonds. A gold IRA provides an incredible hedge against inflation and market volatility. By converting a portion of your IRA or 401k into gold, you're securing your wealth in a tangible asset that stood the test of time for centuries. Gold has been a safe haven during periods of economic instability, and it can provide the kind of peace of mind you need when the stock market isn't reliable. Mark's story isn't unique. Retirees all over the country, like Susan from Florida, who moved $500,000 into a gold IRA after seeing her portfolio dip, are making similar decisions. They understand the importance of protecting what they've worked so hard to build. But it all starts with education. If you're sitting on a retirement account worth $100K or more, I want to offer you something that could change the way you think about securing your future. Get your free gold IRA guide today. No pressure, no sales gimmicks, just straight talk from experts who can help you understand how to make the smartest choices for your retirement. We'll give you a one-on-one educational call to make sure this strategy fits your unique situation. This is about protecting your wealth for the next generation, your legacy. Don't wait. You've worked hard for your retirement, and it's time to protect it. Take action now and get your free guide and call. You deserve to know your options, and I'm here to help. No gimmicks, just one-on-one honest education to help you secure your future. Click the link now, and let's make sure your retirement is as secure as possible.